Okay, we've got our cake on there, and I'm preparing to hide the base. So I'm making a snake with fondant, trying to get it pretty small. I want it to be obvious that it's there, so as small as possible is good. Because an ornament will roll, and this will actually make it think you're thinking that it's keeping it from going anywhere. Okay, we're going to use some gum glue to get this to stay put. Tylose glue on the bottom, right here. I see some of the buttercream's peeking through, so that's good. That'll help adhere it. Help me clean up my board too. Okay, pick it up, drape it around. Use my knife. At an angle, bring it in, match up that angle so it blends back in a little bit more. I want it to blend and disappear. Using the back end of my knife to press it into the board. A little bit of buttercream. Press too hard, you pull it away. Be a little more careful. Okay, there we go. All right, so I've had some fondant sitting here rolled out so I can show you how to cut the snowflakes. This side's had a few minutes to crust, so we're going to flip it over. And then we're going to press. It'll wiggle. Pull it away. Do a little cleanup. Being temperamental. There's gunk in the corners right here. So we'll use our knife. Pull this away. You want details on these snowflakes. There we go. Pretty cool. Okay, I'm going to press it because I want to put the imprint on it. There you go. Try another one. See if it does the same thing. Sure did. I'm going to rub this across it with that. Get this. Clean out. They're really finite in there, so this works really good. There we go. Okay, once those are all out, set it back down, press to get the imprint that's inside. Pop it out. Very good. All right, let's do a medium-sized one. Definitely need to clean this one up. That's all going to stick in there when we go to pop it out, and then we'll lose some of the details. So we'll get this one out, and then we'll do one little one, and then we'll get these on the cake. I'm also going to show you how to dowel this cake to keep the ball from rolling. Get this party rolling, keep this ball from rolling. With some gum glue. Slide, flip it over. Little dab will do you. They used to say that on a Brylcreem commercial. Brylcreem was a hair product that they used to put in men's hair, make it lay down. Heaven forbid it stood straight up. Now there's always a bad spot, and this is where you have the fun of hiding it with a snowflake. That one crease that we had. So, okay, let's get another snowflake. Whoops, we'll add that. There's broken snowflakes too. Every snowflake is different. This is fun. I like this one. There's so many different decorations you can do with this ball. You can do stripes, you can do zigzags. There's no end to what colors and decorations you can do. We're just doing white on white because it's very cold and fun. Okay, let me get this on here. All right, we're going to get the rest of these snowflakes on, then we're going to come back and show you how to dowel this, and then we're going to put the top on the ornament.
Okay.
Okay, we're going to dowel this because we don't want the ball to roll off its perch. So we're going to take and dowel this in here. All the way down till you hit the boards. And I pre-measured this so it should go all the way down. There it is. Stable.